Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to how to turn your GoPro into a car cam. This is my old car cam. It still works, but it's not very reliable. And the picture quality is just subpar. But check it out. The same accessories that come with these cheap $20 cameras actually fits the GoPro. Look at that. It fits. You don't need to get any accessories. I only paid like 50 something dollars for this at eBay. I got it used. The only thing, you see that? The only difference is that it's just a little bit loose right there. But it's a car cam, so, and this velcro, it goes on my dash, so it just sits on the dash like that. And right here is a magnet mount for I'm using my phone goes here, and it loops over. I can show you later when I take it to the car. But this is why the GoPro, I think, is a better car cam. Because I wish I could show you a little better, man. You can't really focus on that stupid phone. Okay, right there. See, when you turn it on, see right there it's charging because I got this on there. And then when it's in the car, I plug that into my cigarette lighter to keep it charged, so I don't always have to take this in the house, because I could always take this thing out and change it to another one whenever it goes. Now this is what I like about this. If you look here, it shows how many hours I have left on my card. You can't really tell. Let me try to focus it. There. You see, I got 2 hours and 10 minutes left on my camera. And I turn it on. I just got to push the top button, and that little thing is red when it's red. You see? That's what I like about this. I can actually control it. I mean, if I catch something that's worth keeping, then I turn it off, and I just change my SD card to one in my wallet. And another thing too is that my old one can only take 32 gig. The GoPro can go 64 gigs in 4 hours. 32 gigs will give me about 2 hours and 10 minutes there. You see that? Maybe a little bit more actually, because I got some stuff in here. But and the quality, my goodness, it's like, this is wide. The quality in this is a lot better than this $20 deal, man. A lot better than this. I mean, this still works, but I really wanted something better. Well, anyway, that's how you get a really good quality camera as a car cam. Yeah, and again, you can get this used at eBay, and they work really well. Just wanted to show that to you. And I mean, it doesn't have all that extra special stuff, but again, if you get in the wreck or anything, you can always just change that card out, take that into your house, and you can hook it up to your GoPro, whatever thing that it comes with. So, okay, that's just want to show you. Thank you. You take care. Bye.